Hi folks, it's Kenny here again. Thanks for tuning in to the channel. Once again I'm talking to the camera. Anyway, today I'm still on holiday and we're back out for another outing, and I'm currently outside Altanour-Lodge, which is up Glen-Ey and just outside Beinn-Lutharn-Mhor. It's a good 9.5 kilometres from Inverary, and we are now ready to start our walk good and proper. This looks like another pea super. I've got full gear with me today, and let's see what it brings anyway, yeah? Let's go. Follow this little burn all the way up round the corner there and up to Carn-Bhac. It's an easy track to follow here. She's used during the stocking season here, and it takes us right up to Carn-Bhac here, which is under cloud. Summit plateau of Carn-Bhac. A bit of shelter in here. Hill over there, Beinn-Lutharn-Mhor, then across to Carn-an-Righ, then Glas-Tulaichean's hidden, and our final Munro is going to be over there, An Socach. To get across this boggy section now, aim for the kind of 812 point, then zigzag up on the shoulder there, then out to the summit. On the summit plateau, we've just got to walk all the way out to the summit of the Munro now. trek. You reach this section here just underneath Carn-an-Righ, and it's an up and down job and back down to here. Then I'll be heading across there, get up that grassy slope, then up to Glas-Tulaichean. Carn-an-Righ. Back down to there to get a rucksack. Spoke to two ladies there, and one of them's on her final Munro, Beinn-Lutharn-Mhor, and she's way up there to do her completion. I hope it stays clear for her. Good luck and well done. They'll be working their way up that bypass section just now. And now I'll head down to the stream there, cross it, then start working our way up to the lowest point on that ridge there, after we get some lunch down at the stream. To Summit Ridge now. I'm having a wee look back there at Carn-an-Righ there. Clear now. Not much to see up here except it's very windy and very cold. Let's go. Our last target's away in the distance here, it's also our way out. walk and some dodgy route finding after that lock up there. You find yourself at the foot of An Socach. I'm going to just load up on calories here. Kept a Mars bar and some chocolate. Get a drink of juice because that's steep. Never mind, it's the last one and it looks like the weather's brightening up except for the wind. So we're on our way down now off the An Socach, Carn-Bhac, and coming back down there you've got the woods there where Altanour-lodge is, then we've got the cycle out of the glen. But first of all we've got this steep descent. It's better to track to the left here. If you look over to our first Munro there, Carn-Bhac, and coming back down there you've got the woods there where Altanour-lodge is, then we've got the cycle out of the glen. But first of all we've got this steep descent. It's better to track to the left here. That's the route we descended off the nose there, right down across the river. You can go up that way if you wanted to do the route clockwise or just go up for An Socach. Quite a quick way to do An Socach actually. Well, once you've got into Altanour-lodge here anyway. So just got to get to the lodge, get the bike and get out of here now. Folks, if you stayed with me to the end, thank you very much. Shame the weather was a bit windy, overcast, miserable, very cold for summer. Hopefully we got some footage and hopefully you enjoyed watching and coming along with me today. I'll get back out hopefully next week because that's the last week in my holidays and I'm still optimistic there might be some sunshine somewhere. And look out for yourself, keep fit if you can, and look out for each other as well, eh? ATB, cheers. Look at that folks, that was out the chip shop in Beinn-Lutharn-Mhor. It's called Place, what is it? Place to be in Beinn-Lutharn-Mhor. That's an Aberdeen Angus burger, all the trimmings, chips, and it was only £10. There you go, trips.